Rue, are you excited to go take the third row seat out? She's excited! Look at how much storage space I'm going to have once I remove these seats. This is invaluable. I have watched one video on how to take these seats out, so I'm gonna try to replicate what that person did. First I have to take off all of the plastic covers, which I'm gonna try to use this to pry them off. We'll see how it goes. And then I bought a 12mm socket to unscrew it. So I have no idea what I'm doing, but here's to the first project of my mini camper van conversion. I just got the first plastic piece off. It's kind of fun because you have to break this little piece, so you just gotta use all your might. But yeah, got the first piece. Okay, let's get this one. See if I can get this actually on camera. Oh, that didn't sound good. Nice. Okay, now I have to figure out how to get these plastic pieces off. Oh god. Is this why they say you can lose a finger doing this? I've heard these things are spring-loaded and that you can lose a finger, so YOLO! It's so crazy how just getting a little piece of plastic off feels that rewarding. Ooh. Hell yeah. So I was able to get all of the plastic off, but these and these will not budge with any of my tools. I'm using a vice grip and a drill, but this is obviously probably low amperage. Probably need to get something stronger. I would just remove these, but I can see that's where the springs are, and that's probably where people lose their fingers. So yeah, I don't know. I might need to find help for this project. Perfect! Oh my gosh. So I just went to Le Schwab to get my lug nuts tightened on my new wheels. And I asked the guy while I was there if he knew anyone that could help me take the seats out in the back. And he was like, oh, I have a power drill. I'll just loosen them all up for you so you can do the rest with your drill. So I should be able to finish this project today. I'm so happy. If that first one was that heavy, it was gonna be tough to lift out by myself. Project 1 complete. I'm so excited.